Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you see by the title, I'll be giving a purple passion inspired eyeshadow look. And as you all know, I already do my brows off camera. If you don't, well now you do. But I ran out my favorite eyebrow pencils. I did it with the terrible wood pencil that you get from the beauty supply store for like $1, but I hate my brows. But let's get to it. So I'm starting off with that purple shade from my Morphe James Charles palette called Escape, using my Morphe M513 brush. I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. And yes, before I apply the eyeshadow, I did prime my lids with the concealer from Nickak, New York, in the shade Fawn. It was literally $1 at the beauty supply store. Just to mention, everything that I use in this video will be listed in the description box, of course. I know one thing, I'm ready for the cold months to end. I'm ready for spring and summer because my skin is always messed up in the wintertime. Like, look at all that acne, but I still embrace it somehow and do my good old skincare routine. And if you'd like to see that, just comment down below if you'd like to see my skincare routine once my skin starts clearing up. So now I'm taking that concealer again in the shade Fawn to cut my crease. Just half the way, not a full cut crease, just half the way. You'll see. And I always tap the product in instead of dragging it, because if I drag it, the color will start absorbing in the concealer, and I don't want that. But it kind of did a little bit, but it wasn't too dramatically. But I want a purple effect, so a little bit of color was fine with it. And to set the concealer in place, I always use my MAC 214 brush to set it, to get a smooth application when I apply another eyeshadow over it. And you will see me reapplying more concealer because the color faded in the concealer too dramatically, but I still went over with concealer, but like a little bit of color was acceptable with the look. But you'll see what I'm about to do next. And then I just got any black eyeshadow. I could just use any black eyeshadow and just fade it into the outer crease to give it more dimension, and it gives the look more dramatic and more purple passion looks, of course. And now I'm going in with my NYX Love Lust Disco palette and getting that gray shade and just packing that on the crease. And this shade, I thought it was going to give it a more gray effect, but it looks a little bit like lavender purple, but I love how it looks. Like, it's really, really pretty. So yeah, I just packed that on the crease. I would also like to mention that I won this palette from a giveaway they did over the holidays. Like, I was so pressed. Like, wow, like I won a giveaway from NYX. And then I'm taking that chrome shade right there, and like, it's so pretty. It gives a purple reflect to it, so I'm just dragging that on the cut crease to give it more reflective looks, and it's so pretty. And then I just finish up my face off camera. I'm just applying some blush, and then I lost a clip when I applied some purple highlighter, but I used a purple highlighter from the James Charles palette and just set my face and apply lashes, and that was the final look. If you all have stayed tuned throughout this entire video, that means I hope you all have enjoyed this beautiful purple passion inspired look by me, and hopefully I've inspired you all to recreate this look or do this look yourself or do whatever, because this look is so beautiful, so dramatic, so vampy, my type of vibes, because I love vampy vibes. And yeah, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias, which will be at the end of this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to whoever. Yeah, and that's it, and I'll see you all in the next video.